Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'll be walking you through the simple steps to creating your very first DRIP/BUSD LP token. You can use these tokens right now using the Animal Farm's DRIP Garden, but in just 14 days or so you'll be able to also deposit these tokens into the Animal Farm farms, and you can earn some passive income doing that. So let's go ahead and jump into it. I will assume you have a wallet already. It's either MetaMask or Trust Wallet or the Binance Chain Wallet or another wallet that's listed on the Wallet Connect registry. If you don't have a wallet yet, you can visit this site, walletconnect.com, and click on Wallets and Apps, and then click on Wallets, and you can choose any number of wallets to use. So once you've downloaded your wallet and you've added some funds to it, if you have some problems, you don't know how to add funds to it, check out this video right here on how to do that. But once you have everything ready to go, we have come to animalfarm.app. Make sure you are visiting this URL, and then you are going to click Launch App. Next, you are going to come up here where it says Liquidity, and you're going to click on where it says Drip Liberation. This will open up the previous user interface, or the previous website for the Animal Farm, and you will also need to connect your wallet up here in the upper right hand corner. After you've connected your wallet, all you need to do is come down here, select the token that you have in your wallet, and then you will input the amount that you want to spend on these LP tokens. So just for an example, let's say I had $100 or 100 BUSD tokens. I would type in 100 here, and then I would come down here and click Supply. In doing that, you could see I would receive 11.0935 LP tokens. These are the tokens. It doesn't matter the order. It's just a pair between BUSD and DRIP. Once you see how many LP tokens you're going to buy, just click Confirm Supply. When you do that, your wallet will pop open asking you to confirm that transaction. And when the transaction goes through successfully, you can go back to the Animal Farm website. You can come up here to the DRIP Garden, and once you've connected your wallet to this website, you can scroll down and you can deposit those DRIP/BUSD LP tokens here. Now if you chose to do what I'm doing and hold off on depositing those LP tokens into the garden, and you scrolled up here to the top, in just 13 days and 17 hours, the farms will open up. And the farms is a way for you to earn passive income. Essentially, you're earning a passive asset by depositing these DRIP/BUSD LP tokens. You'll be earning the PIGS token. And in doing that, you will be able to come up to the PigPen and deposit those pigs here to earn BUSD and more pigs. So that's what a lot of people are doing. That's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for these farms to open back up. But you can also deposit those LP tokens right now into the DRIP Garden. And hopefully this video has been helpful. If it was, please give it a like. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I will see you guys in the next video.